Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as Online Food Delivery System. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So after the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak and the lockdowns, the online delivery systems are increasing rapidly, and especially when coming to the food, the online food delivery system is the important aspect now for every restaurant to implement it. So in this project we are going to implement this online food delivery system. So in this online food delivery system, it is not only about ordering the food, but also it takes the consideration of the restaurant management, online food delivery by the user, and the delivery agent tracking, and also managing the everything by the admin part of this. So here we have four entities, that is the restaurant management, second is the user, that is the food ordering process, third is the agent, that is the delivery agent part, and fourth is the admin who controls the overall system of the project. So this system will be effectively used for the online food delivery system with error-free handles in real time. So now let us see the execution of the project. So we have developed this project using Java NetBeans IDE 8.2. So first open the NetBeans IDE 8.2, go to the file menu, click open project. Now go to the source code location. So here in the source code you can see the online food delivery. So just select this and click open project. And now kindly wait till the complete project is loaded into the NetBeans IDE. So here you can see the progress of it in the progress bar. So let me minimize it. Meanwhile, let me add the database. So just go to the MySQL administrator. So log in with the credentials of username as root and password as root, and then click OK. And now in the left side panel you can see the restore option. Just click this restore option. Now you can see this open backup file button. So just click this open backup file button. Now go to the source code location where you can find the database folder. So just select this database and then click open. And now you can see the start restore option is enabled. So just click the start restore button, and now you can see the restoration operation was finished successfully message, and click close. Now you can close this MySQL administrator part because the database is been attached successfully. So now let me come back to the NetBeans IDE 8.2. So here you can see the progress bar, it is going to complete. So it is showing 100%. So kindly wait till it has been completed. So now let us execute the project. So just right click this online food and then click this run button menu. So in case if you see this starting of Tomcat fail message, it is you need to start the server. I have forgotten to start the server. So just go to the Apache Tomcat and start the server, and now go to the projects and you can run it, and it takes some time. So now you can see the project is being loaded into the browser part, and now you can see the home screen, the welcome screen of the project with the project title online food delivery system. As intimated earlier, there are four entities now here. The one is the restaurant management, food order, doorstep delivery agent, and the administrator. So now let me first go to the restaurant management part. So just click this restaurant management. So here once after clicking the restaurant management, it will be navigated to the restaurant login page. As I am a new restaurant, I am not having any login. So first let me click it here by sign up now. So here it will be navigated to the registration page where new restaurant can add their restaurant details. So let me enter the restaurant name here as KFC Pondicherry. So let me name like this, and let me choose a photo for it by clicking this restaurant photo option. So let me select a logo for this and let me enter as kfc@gmail.com, their phone number, their address, their city, their GST number, and the username and their password. And after entering these credentials, just click this log register button. So now you can see the register success message and it will be navigated to the restaurant login page. Now if you enter the username KFC and the password KFC and login, so here you can see even though I have given the exact username and password, it is not logged in, because first thing is like the admin should approve the restaurant. So go to the admin part. So let me open that in a new tab. So let me log in the admin credentials with the admin and admin. So you just copy this admin name, so here should be caps and the same is the password, and then click the sign in. So now you can see the admin is successful logged in, and here you can see the welcome screen for the admin. So all systems are running smoothly, and here you can see a default, this is a default image, and here you can see the date and time of the current system, and here you can see the dashboard, and this is the home screen for the admin process. And here you can see the details like user list, restaurant list, agent list, delivery agent, restaurant activation, feedback, etc. Let us see one by one. So now our thing is like, now let us go to the restaurant list. You can see what are all the restaurants available now. So first go to the restaurant activation part. So here you can see the restaurant name KFC Pondicherry, which I have given right now, is being waiting for the approval. So here you can see the action part, that is activate or reject. So only if the admin activates this, the restaurant can able to come into the system, or else they cannot come. So to prevent the unwanted or scams, or to make the system secure, we have done this methodology. So just admin is activating now by clicking this activate button. So once the activated, you can see user activated, and click OK. And now if you go to the restaurant list, where you can see the ID for each restaurant with the name KFC Pondicherry, with the email ID, their phone number, their address, and the status is active or inactive. So these things have been displayed in the admin part. So now let me log out from the admin part. Now go to the restaurant login. So KFC, I have given this, and then click sign in. And now you can see earlier it was not success one. Now if the admin has approved it, so it is, you can see it has been success, the login is success. And here you can see the welcome screen for the restaurant module, and as I said, this is a default image, and here you can see the date and time of it. This is the dashboard for the restaurant part. So in the restaurant part, you can see add menu, menu update, orders, transaction, and compliance part of it. So now let us see the things one by one. So if you go to the add menu part, so first thing, it will be navigated to the add menu option, where you can see the menu details like dish name, category, price, dish type, regional, dish photo, etc. So let me show you by adding one by one. So let me enter a name called KFC piece hot chicken. So let me enter the name as like this, and dish type as non-veg, and category as starter, and regional as South Indian or North Indian, Chinese, Italian, Mexican, continental, such kind of thing. So let me enter a continental, and what is the price for this? So let me enter as 500 rupees, and let me select the dish photo for this by clicking the choose file menu, and now click the submit. And now if you go to the menu update, you can see the menu is been added into the KFC Pondicherry restaurant. the name is KFC 10-piece hot chicken and the details of it. So if you wanted to delete this, you can delete by clicking the delete button, or if you wanted to update the price, you can just update. For example, if I am giving some offer and I'm going to reduce the price or increase the price, you can do it. Now let me click for reducing the price by 450 and click update, and you can see menu price has been updated, and click OK. Now you can see the price has been updated here. And once if you go to the orders part, you can see there is no orders and there is no transaction and there is no complaints because we have not done anything for it. So let me show you one by one now. So now let me log out from the restaurant part. So now let me go to the food order part. So let me open the food order part, and in the food order part you can see the online food ordering system, login or sign up. So just you can see that the static information is here, and now let me sign up as I am a new user. So let me click sign up. Now it will navigate to the user registration part by asking some simple details like name, email ID, phone number and password. So let me enter a name called Ajib, email ID, phone number, and password, and let me click the register. And now you can see the user registration is completed message, and click OK. And now you can go to the login part. So now it will be asked for the phone number and the password which you have created. So now you need to enter the phone number and password. If you are giving some wrong information, it will not log in. So it shows invalid user credentials. So now let me enter the exact information that I have given, the phone number and the password, and then click login. And once it is successful, it will be showing that success, and it will be going to the user that is ordering page, where you can see a top picks. This is the static informations only. These are the static informations only. So first things like they need to search for the city, because if the city is not, if the restaurant is not added, for example I have added Pondicherry. If you're in Bangalore, if the restaurant is not added, it will not be showing that. So it will be showing only the cities that is available now. So now you can see the city name Pondicherry. So just select the Pondicherry. The user is selecting this Pondicherry. So now it will be showing what all the restaurant that is available in Pondicherry, where you can see the KFC Pondicherry which I have added now. So just if the user clicks in, so they can see what all the menus are available. So now you can see the menu details, KFC hot 10 pieces chicken, that is available here. And let me show you other hotel option. That is, once if you click this hotel car, you can see what are the options available in it. And Kamachi, you can see what all the menus available in it. So now if I log out and go to the restaurant part and show you by adding some other menu. So let me go to the add menu option. So now this time I will update burger, this is non-veg, and category is like a main course. Let me add it, and this is a continental, and price let me update as 200, and dish photo let me select this burger and click submit. And now if you go to the menu update, you can see the burger that I have added. And now let me log out from the restaurant part. So now let me go to the user part. So now let me go to the user part, and now if you go to the search city and Pondicherry, you can see the KFC, and earlier there was only one menu, and now you can see the menu that I have added burger is been updated here. So I have shown you the menu update process now. So now let me order one burger here, and just select this add to cart process. So once if I have selected, it will be navigated to the cart, where you can see the cart that we have added. So here you can see the dish name burger and quantity and what is the price of it, and automatically it makes the 20 rupees service charge as default by adding 200 with the thing that is 20 with 20 rupees. The cost is been added for the delivery charge. And if you wanted to clear this, you can clear the chart, or if you wanted to go back to the menu and select some other thing. So for example, let me selecting this KFC 10 piece hot chicken and add to cart. So here you can see this has been added correctly now. So earlier I have ordered this particular burger, and now you can see KFC or 10-piece chicken has been added and 450, and now you can see the calculation is made by the 450 plus 200, that is 650 is being done with the 20 rupees service charge is being updated. So if you wanted to clear the cart, you can just select this clear cart. So once if you click this, you can see your cart is empty now. So once if you go to the Hungry is the home page that we have created for this user. So once if you go to the home page where you can see the you can select some different item if you wanted. So if I wanted to select this fish fry, let me add to the cart, and you can see this has been added. So if you wanted to clear this cart, you can clear the cart. So now let me order a food, that is burger. I have ordered, for example, if I wanted 2 quantity and add to cart, you can see the price is 200 and it is automatically calculated that is 400 because we have added 2 quantity and the service charge is 20. And here you can see the delivery address details. For example, let me enter the delivery address as 28 VOC Street next to Gandhi statue. Let me click this submit. So now you can see thank you for using the service message and click OK. And now if you go to my account part, you can see the profile details that we have added. If you wanted to change it, you can change the details. Go to order tracking part where you can see thanks for your order with the order ID is being generated here. So here you can see the order status is waiting now, and you can see the what is the item but the quantity for this, and this is the bill for the user. And if you go to order history part, you can see what all things that has been ordered also it will be showing now. And let me log out from the user part. So now let me go to the restaurant login part. So once after logged in, you can see the, if you go to the orders part, you can see the order that we have received with the order ID and what is the dish name, the quantity, and what is the status of it. So here the restaurant can confirm the order or they can reject the order. The option is given for this, and let me confirm the order now. And once the order is confirmed, you can see order confirm message and click OK. And now once the order is confirmed, if you go to the orders part, it is, you can see the orders is not available now, and you can see the transaction part, it is being updated in the transaction part. You can see the order status is being updated as confirmed and what is the order time of it. And now let me log out from the restaurant part, and now let me go to the user part. So you enter the username and password in the user part and click login. And now if you go to the order tracking part, you can see the order status has been confirmed now. So this has been updated after the restaurant confirms your order. And now let me log out, and now let me go to the next part, that is the delivery agent part. So first let me create a new delivery agent. So I don't have any delivery agent now, so let me create a new delivery agent by clicking the sign up now. So in this delivery agent name, let me enter the delivery agent name as JP, and let me enter an agent photo for this. And the father name, date of birth, gender, email ID, phone number, city. So as I intimated earlier, whichever the restaurants available, accordingly the city will be updated here. If there is no restaurant available in a particular city, that will not be listing here. So now the restaurants available for the city Kadalur and Pondicherry only, it is shown here. Let me show you by adding a new city also, next part. So now let me select Pondicherry now here, and let me enter the password as JP, and then let me click by clicking the register button. So now you can see the delivery agent is registered successfully. If I am giving the username and password and click sign up, you can see the authentication is failed because the admin should approve this. So let's go to the admin part. So once after logged into the admin part, you can see the delivery agents menu. So just click this delivery agent, where you can see the ID, the agent photo, the name, the details of the agent that we have given right now. And now you can see the action is activate or reject. So once only if the admin approves the delivery agent, they can be coming to the delivery part of this online food ordering system, or else they cannot come to make the system secure. So now let me click the activate. So once the click activate, you can see the account activated message, and you can see who are all the delivery agents available from by clicking this delivery agent activation, where you can see the delivery agent JP is been active now. And now log out from this part. And so now let me log in into the delivery agent part. So just click this delivery agent, where you need to enter the email ID of the delivery agent that we have registered and the password of it, and then click the sign in, and you can see the success message now. And now you can see welcome delivery partner. This is the home screen for the delivery partner, and the date and time of it. And here you can see the orders list. So just once if you go to the orders part, you can see the order that is being generated now is being in a waiting stage. And here once if there will be one or two delivery agents for Pondicherry. So once if I am confirming this order, other agents will not receive this order. So here let me confirm by clicking this confirm, and here you can see that the delivery status is being updated by the delivered. And now let me log out from the delivery agent part, and now let me go to the user part of it. And once you are logged into the user part, you can go to the account tracking, where you can see the details of it, and you can see the order history for it. And you can if you wanted to give the feedback for this, you can just click here for feedback option. So here you can see the feedback for the given order. So it will be asking what do you think about the food delivery, and you can rate this by giving the stars. So here we have given stars. The database will be showing us for 1 star 1, 2 star 2, 3 for 3, 4 means 4, 5 means 5. So let me give 5, and let me update as polite delivery, and let me select this I may be contacted about this feedback, and click submit. And now you can see thanks for the feedback message, and click OK. And once if you go to the order history, you can see what are the things that is done by here. And let me log out from the user part now. So now if you go to the delivery agent part, so here you can see the delivery history, what are the things that we have done, delivery taken. And if you go to the feedback part, you can see the for which order ID you got the rating, and what is the feedback, and what is the date and time for it. And now let me go to the restaurant part. So in the restaurant part, you can see the transactions, what are the things that is available. If there is any complaints or feedbacks, you can check out here. This has been the order that we have taken, that has been updated here. And now we have seen about the adding the menus in the restaurant, and user ordering the food, and the delivery agent accepting the order and providing the delivery, and admin controlling the things. So finally let me go to the admin part and show you. Let me close all the tabs now. So in the admin part, you can see the user list. So here you can see the user list available, which is created now, and restaurant list, which is created now, and agent list you can create it now. And what are all the delivery agents available for activation? There is no delivery agent, and there is no restaurant activation now. And total, what all the, if any feedbacks available, it will be showing here in the admin part. So now we have shown all the operations. So now as intimated, let me show you by adding some other location. So let me go to the restaurant management now. Let me create a sign up part. So let me enter the restaurant name as A to B Hyderabad. Let me select the restaurant photo, email ID, phone number, address, GST number, username, A2B, A2B, and let me click register. And now you can see the registration of the restaurant is success. And now let me go to the administrator part to activate the restaurant. So let me go to the admin and then click sign in. And if you go to the restaurant activation, where you can see the A2B Hyderabad, you can see status is no. Let me click activate, and now it is activated. And now if you go to the restaurant list, where you can see the restaurant A2B is been active now. And now let me log out from this part, admin part. Now let me go to the user part. So let me sign up. So now let me sign up a new user called Vijay. And click register. And now you can see the user registration is completed. Let me go to the user login page now and enter the phone number. And click login. And now if you go to the search city part, you can see the Hyderabad has been now updated. Earlier you have seen only Pondicherry and Kadalur, and now as I have added a new restaurant in the Hyderabad, it has been shown here. So just if you click this Hyderabad, you can see the restaurant that is available in Hyderabad. So there are no menus, there will be no menus here because we have not added any menus. Let me add some menu for it now. So I have shown you the adding a new location. And let me go to the menu update, add menu. Let me add a dish, Italy, price 50 rupees, and let me enter the photo and click submit. Let me add some other name for the some other dish, dosa, category starter, South Indian, price 50 rupees, and let me select the photo for this and click submit. And let me add another dish, meals, starter, South Indian, price is 200 rupees. Let me add a photo for this and click submit. Now I have added 3 menus in this. So if you go to menu update, you can see the menus available. If you wanted to add, modify some prices, let me modify the price as 45 rupees and click update. It will be updated, the price will be updated. And now let me log out from the restaurant part. Now let me go to the user part. So here in the user part, now let us see the updates is being reflected or not. And click login by clicking the username and password, and now go to the search city and select Hyderabad. And now you can see the A2B Hyderabad, and if you click this A2B Hyderabad, you can see the menu that has been updated now. And let me select the quantity of meal and click add to cart, and here you can see the meal has been added with the service charge of 200. And now let me enter the door number as 123, Airport Road, next to airport. So let me enter the delivery address this and click submit. And now you can see thank you for service message. And if you go to the order tracking part, you can see the order ID is available here, and you can see the status is waiting now. So now let me log out from this part, and now let me go to the restaurant part to confirm the order. And if you go to the orders part, you can see the meals order is waiting, and let me click confirm. And once the order is confirmed, You can see the order confirm message in the transaction part. And now let me log out, and now let me go to the delivery agent part. So now let me log into the delivery agent part. So earlier I have created delivery agent called JP, but here you can see that if you log in with the delivery agent JP, he is from Pondicherry, so he will not show the order for him. So only if the delivery agent in this location, it will be showing. So now let me create a new delivery agent, click sign up. So let me create a new delivery agent by entering the so let me enter the agent as Raj, and let me select a photo for this agent. And enter the details of the father name, date of birth, the gender, email ID, phone number, city. Now you can see Hyderabad has been updated, so let me select the Hyderabad now, and let me enter the details of the password and then click register. So now you can see the agent registration is success. And now let me go to the admin part to activate this user now, this delivery agent now, and go to the delivery agents part, and you can see this Hyderabad location and activate now. So now the delivery agent is activated. Now let me log out from the admin part and now go to the delivery agent login part, where you enter the username and password of the delivery agent and click sign in. And you can see the order which I have placed, that is meals confirmed and waiting, status in waiting. So now if I have delivered it, it will be confirmed it, and now you can see the status is been delivered, and delivery history you can see it is been updated, and there is no any feedback. If they receive the feedback, it will be updated in the delivery feedback of it. And once if I go to the user part, so in the order tracking you can see it has been confirmed, and you can see the airport road details. And if you wanted to give the feedback for him, and you can give the service rating. If it is poor service, it's been updated, and click submit. And now let me log out and go to the delivery agent part to see the complaint of this. And once if you go to the feedback, you can see the username and rating given is 1 and feedback is poor for it. Now let me log into the admin part and show you the thing that is. So we have seen the user list now, which has been added now, and restaurant list that we have added now, and agent list that is added now. And this is all about the project online food delivery system using Java, and thank you all for watching.